Colton, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. What do we have? Colton, what's that? What's that say?
So?
That's a leopard. What's a leopard say? Oh, what is that? Snake. What's a snake say? What's it? Oh, what are you getting? No! Oh no! What's a moo cow? What's a cow say? Moo! That's right. Here, what's all these? What's mommy say?
Mommy.
She say mommy. What's mommy say? Alright, say, hey guys, we're here playing with our, what are we playing with? Mammals? Or mammals? What are these? That's it, see, that's a lion. What's a lion say? And then, can you say giraffe?
Gosh.
Sure. Say shark?
Shark.
Shark. Very good.
Shark.
Oh, that's a lion. What's a lion say?
Shark.
No, that's not a shark. That's a shark.
What?
Here, here, tell everybody. Say, what's a cow say?
Daddy.
What's he say? What's a cow say?
Daddy.
Huh? Oh, make him get him. Say, make him go. Make him eat the zebra. Oh, no.
Daddy.
Yeah, boys.
Boom.
Boom. Say hippo.
Boom.
Say hippo.
Boom.
Say hippo. Whoa. You're not gonna. Oh no, we lost one.
Mommy.
Who's that?
Mommy.
What's a lion gonna do? Wow. Wow. Oh, here comes the sharky. Watch out! Oh no! Ah, the sharky's gonna get you. Oh. Watch out! The sharky. Does a sharky that says does a shark swim? Oh, look, it's a donkey. What's a donkey say? Woof woof. What's a cow say? Say we're just having fun playing with animals. Say that's what all kids need to learn first is what animals make noises. What's a donkey say? Say hee haw. There's the shark. Here he comes. Watch out! No! You can't throw the shark. The zebra. No! The zebra gonna get you. The zebra. No. I blocked it. What's a donkey say? What's a donkey say? No, never throw the dog. Oh, no. No. Oh, get them. Boys, we haven't even played with them. Throw it at the camera. Throw it. Ouch! You hit me in the head! Ouch! Ow. Oh, the snake's gonna get you. Oh, the snake gonna get you. Oh, no, watch out! Well, tell them, what's the snake say? Oh, here comes the hippo. The hippo. Say hippo. Hippo. Ready? Here it comes. Oh, yeah! Boom, boom, boom! Ow! He's not. Oh, watch out! He's running him over! Watch out! Yeah, boys. What's a donkey say? Say hee haw. Say hee haw. Oh, you want to run over you? Oh, here he goes. You can't even take it. Yeah, boys.
Yeah.
You do again? Okay. Here comes the hippo. Whoa, whoa. The hippo! Oh, here comes the hippo. Watch out! Yeah, boys.
Daddy.
Yes.
Yeah.
What? No! You do the zebra. No, not the hippo! Where are you throwing them? Yeah, but you hurt your feelings. No, not the cheetah! No! Say, what the world? Colton, now show him your muscles. Here, look, ready? Come here. Look, all right, look at the camera. Ready? Say, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Say, we'll see you later. Oh, show your muscles. Show them. Oh, yeah, boy. Make a mean face. Look, make it show your muscles. Yeah, there you go. See, look, boy. Woo! All right. I guess that's going to be a short one with some animals today. I hope you guys lasted longer than they did. Holy moly. Say bye.